Use the rectangular multiplication technique in reverse in order to factorize a quadratic expression. The question is, factorize x squared plus 5x plus 6. That is the area of the rectangle, and we have to find the lengths of both of the sides. So the area of this rectangle is x squared plus 5x plus 6. We know that we have x squared in one of the parts of the rectangle. We know we have 6 in one part of the rectangle. However, there are 2 more parts left, and that was made up of a combination of 2 numbers that added together to make 5x. However, those numbers also need to be represented over here, and they need to multiply together to make 6. So, for example, again, we'll have to use trial and improvement methods to work out what those numbers might be. 6 could be made up by doing 1 times 6. Let's try the 1 and the 6 and see whether that works out. So if I have 1 and I have a 6 there, notice as well, if I've got x squared here, then these 2 numbers must have been x and x. X times x is x squared, 6 times x is 6x, and 1 times x is 1x. If we now write this out, we can see we've got x squared plus 6x plus 1x plus 6. And if we simplify it down, we have x squared plus 7x plus 6. Comparing that to the original problem, we needed to have 5x, and we've got 7x. Therefore, the numbers 1 and 6 don't work. Starting with a fresh grid again, we can start filling in. We know we've got our x squared, and we know we've got our 6, but we just have to find these other 2 numbers that add together to make 5x. To make x squared, we had x times x. And now we need to decide what 2 numbers we can use, which when multiplied together, here and here, are going to make 6. We've already tried 1 times 6 and that didn't work. Maybe we should try the fact that 6 is equal to 2 times 3 and see if this works. If we're going to use 2 times 3, we're going to have a 2 there and a 3 there. We'll need to continue to multiply it out and see what happens. In this box we'll have x times 2, which is 2x. And in this part of the area we'll have x times 3, which is 3x. If we continue to write out what area we have all together, this area here, all added together, we will have x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. The 2x plus the 3x can be simplified to make 5x. And if we look at the original question, that's what we were looking for. We were looking for 5x. So this is the correct factorization. And if we're going to write it down, on the one side of the rectangle we have an x and a 3, and that's written as x and a positive 3. And that's going to be multiplied by the other line, or the other side of the rectangle, which was an x and a 2. That is written as an x, and it's a positive 2. And we don't need to put anything in between the 2 brackets. We know that's going to be a times sign. The correct factorization of x squared plus 5x plus 6 is x plus 3 times x plus 2.